Yeah.
Dude, another one.
Same spot.
Another one. Jeez. You think we could push him out?
He could get out.
I think he should just go straight. It's front wheel drive.
I don't want to stop right here.
They should just stop right here.
Let's get his foot.
Oh, he's got AAA coming.
Oh, okay.
I hope.
Charge you.
What's that?
Let's get with me.
Oh shit, again. Look at those side skirts though.
See, you got a flat. Alright, let's go. We were only like a quarter mile away from his house.
I'll tell you inside.
Damn, Mark. Made it home. Get your white shoes dirty.
It looks stuck to me. Team Camber gang. Oh, did that one get bent too, or is it like that?
Which one? Oh, I got bent also.
For real?
We lost the whole exhaust actually, no crash.
Oh shit, no shit.
Dude, what happened to the muffler? Dude, what happened to your charcoal canister?
Oh, dude. Yeah.
Here we go.
Hey, watch out, let me get in there.
Sorry, Daddy. No. Oh!
Hey, bar. You gotta move this bar. Sorry, buddy. I got too much pressure on me. Too many cameras in my face.
When you think you know how to drift, you actually don't.
Yeah.
The new ones are like that. They're coming out with also with a diesel one.
It's on there tight still.
Yeah, it is. Cause the bottom side's kind of.
You can't really even tell.
You know what? You know what made them survive is that the fact that they're carbon fiber.
They really are legit carbon fiber. I need a video again.
So
Where's the tag at?
Mark hydroplaned,
Oh, that.
went over the center divider, and ruined his front tire. Got a flat in the front, but it's just the tire. And then this bitch broke, and that's it.
Side skirts?
Still on.
On and sturdy. Hanging in there like a champ. That's real.
Yeah.
That's the real carbon fiber test. You gotta just go over the center divider. Alright. It's too long. Dude, if I pull it too hard on the fork.
Are you fucked up? Can you see it?
Yeah, I should have bought them some expensive ones.
Fuck. Oh, pop.
Oh no, it's red.
It's ripped?
Yeah.
You can hear it?
Well, you don't.
Oh, yeah, I see it.
You just patch that, tire patch that, we're all good to go.
Good to go. Just a plug, not even a patch.
Alright, let's get your shot. Let's go drive it now.
Yeah, let's go.
And then I could drift it.
And just like that, the Z is back. How long did that take, Mark?
Like 3 years.
Like a day? When did you crash yesterday?
Crash?
When did you crash yesterday? Oh, you know. Psyche, that shit took like 2 weeks, 2 weeks. Hey, bitch.